The global aircraft engine market was valued at $140 billion in 2023, with consensus forecasts reaching $153 billion in 2024. Growth is strong, with a projected 7% CAGR through 2032. Growth is driven by air travel recovery, fleet modernization, defense spending, and new regulations. Turbofan engines hold 71% of the market, with commercial aircraft at 68%. North America leads with 39% share and $20 billion in 2023. Asia Pacific is the fastest growing, with a 13% CAGR and surging passenger traffic. Europe follows with strong OEMs and regulatory focus. Latin America and Middle East and Africa are smaller but expanding. Top players like GE, Pratt & Whitney, Rolls-Royce, Safran, and MTU are investing in hybrid electric, SAF-compatible, and digital maintenance technologies. According to leading research firms, the market's robust growth is fueled by innovation, sustainability, and global demand. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.